In this video, I'm going to show you how to summarize a YouTube video with ChatGPT. So first you want to open up ChatGPT, then you want to find the video that you want to summarize. So for example, I want to summarize this video. So the way you can do this is by clicking the description, and you want to find something that says show transcript. So you want to go ahead and click on that. And this is going to show you the entire transcript of the video. So what we need to do is actually just copy this entire transcript like so. Then we want to come back to ChatGPT and say, can you summarize this YouTube video? Here is the transcript. And then you want to put that transcript in 2 quotes like this, so that way it knows where to start and stop looking for what it needs to summarize. Then go ahead and hit enter. And now we can see that it responded with, this video provides a step-by-step guide on how to build a brick mailbox. And then it goes through each step that the video lays out in the actual video itself. And now we have a summary of this YouTube video. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.